Hi there, my name is Patrick Selent, and this is a video showing off my procedural content generation usage in Unreal Engine 5. This is a pretty simple graph here. It just uses Unreal's native landscape, and then going into it, we come to level prototyping, and we see this is made out of entirely two procedural content generation graphs. There's one that handles the grass generation here, which both of these are pretty simple. They get the landscape and do use Unreal's surface sampling function, and then they apply a variety of functions to filter out and sort of tune in and hone in the density, the scattering, and the distribution of the meshes. So if we disconnect the mesh spawner, which actually makes the grass mesh appear, and we debug the noise filter, just do a quick save, we will see that each of these squares is what would normally be a piece of grass before it goes through additional filtering. These are then, after the models that are distributed are filtered and noise is applied, there are functions to randomize the scale and rotation, and then if we reconnect the mesh spawner so that it turns back into grass, and we look in the mesh entries, we can see that there are actually 8 different grass meshes that are used to add variety to the grass that is spawned. And then if we go in, we have a nice populated grassland to run around. A similar function is done with the trees. The trees are made up of a variety of spruce tree models. These are all from Unreal's Fab store for free. If we just go ahead and we'll debug this node, we can see that each of these trees is just a spawned point. There's some NPCs there from another demo, and we can see that again the distribution and clumping of these nodes. Like for instance, if we debug here, we can see that they're clustered more in groups, and the things like the scale again, the rotation, and which are the 3 meshes to use, are all randomized. And it is in doing that we get this nice navigable but still lush looking spruce forest. Thanks.